Peace, family, and welcome back to Making Tea with Tomekia, our series on the different ways to make herbal tea or loose leaf tea. So in this video, we're going to be talking about our tea ball infusers. Now, tea ball infusers comes in all shapes and sizes. This is the one that is available at Arapel. That's funny. This is the one that is available at Arapel Wellness little teapot infuser, but we also have a large diffuser as well. This is our small option, and we do have a large one on the website. And so again, tea ball infusers come in all shapes and sizes. There's mesh ones, there are different color ones. Whichever one you choose to get is solely up to you, but this is another option when it comes to making your herbal teas. So all you would really do is you would, again, I'm a 2 teaspoon type girl, but you would get your teaspoons and add it to your diffuser. Now, when it comes to the smaller diffusers, and depending on the herbs, see how like these are like kind of like coming everywhere because they have the stems in here. It may be a little hard, so you may want to like crush it up a little bit. But if you have a large one, then that's no problem. But all you would do is just place your tea inside of your tea ball infuser. Put it in there, and then set it inside of your 8 ounces of water, as we talked about in the last video. 8 ounces of hot water, and allow it to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. The tea that we are trying in this video is our white peach. White peach is a white tea. It is delicious, one of our favorites when it comes to summertime. So this is white tea, as well as some apricot, some peach, and also some marigold flowers. Again, one of our top sellers on the Arapel website. So if you would like to get some, head on over to arapel.com and do that. And just like I said in the last video, you don't need much sweetener. This is a perfect tea that you can drink hot or cold, depending on how you're feeling and what you're needing. And of course, using your sweeteners, whether that be your honey, which is a mushroom honey, infused honey from the purple mushroom, or if you're using agave. This is our royal pea agave that is also available at Arapel Wellness. And if you're interested in the high five mushroom infused honey from the purple mushroom, head over to purplemushroom.com and you can get it from there. But yeah, so that is an option as well. So in our first video, we talked about using our unbleached tea bags. In this option, we were talking about using a tea ball diffuser. Again, it's still the same method, 1 to 2 teaspoons, depending on how you're feeling and what you're needing and what you're wanting to taste, and allowing it to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. No sweetener if you don't need it, but if you do need it, you do have your options. Just try to stay away from white sugar. All right, see y'all in the next one.